Hello and welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we are at Roots Farmers Market and Auction, and like secondhand store, and it has all kinds of stuff. I'll show you. So come along with me and see what we can see. Located in the heart of PA Dutch Country in Lancaster County, Lancaster, Pennsylvania, Roots Country Market and Auction is a farmers market that is open every Tuesday. Now, Roots was founded by A.W. Root in 1925 as a poultry auction. Now, it's a flourishing country market filled with bakeries, delis, butchers, local and imported produce, crafts, jewelers, collectibles, antiques, all kinds of neat stuff. Now, they do have a proud tradition there at Roots. Now, the family had been owners and operators for about 5 generations, dating back again to A.W. Root in 1925. Now, many of their shareholders, their second, third, and fourth generation, continuing the success of their parents and grandparents, started by guaranteeing quality in their merchandise. There is something for everyone at Roots. Every Tuesday, Roots Market features its produce auction as well as fresh meats, delis, bakery items, flowers, homemade crafts, antiques, collectibles, and household items, etc. from well over 200 stand holders. This place is totally awesome. You gotta check it out. Now, venturing outside, you will find the bathrooms, which are, of course, handicapped accessible. And there's so much more to see out here. Let me show you. Want to try some great soft serve ice cream? Well, this gentleman certainly liked it.
This way, no hair, no extras. This way, I love you, love you. Please don't take my sunshine away.
Oh, look at that. That's incredible.
I remember that.
Yep. That's like my my kryptonite. Don't forget to cross the street, because there's plenty of other buildings on that side, as well as an awesome flea market. You gotta check this out. Look. Booths as far as the eye can see. I'd really appreciate it if you could like this video, write a comment, and please subscribe. Oh, and hit that bell while you're at it. And as always, have a great day.